सांगला, we are going to take the workers into confidence. We are going to make them stakeholders. आता आम्ही एक पॉइंट रेज केलो की ड्युरिंग द डिस्कशन्स एका टायमार आम्ही आमचो कामगारांचो प्रतिनिधी बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टरार आसलेलो, पण तो काढलो. आम्ही सांगलेले 2 तरी प्रतिनिधी बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर आसपाक जाय. सो तो इश्यू आम्ही परतून घेतले सरकारा लागीं आनी मॅनेजमेंटा लागीं, आनी 1-2 तरी बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर आसपाक जाय. हाचो अर्थ असो न्ही हांव बोर्ड ऑफ क्रिस्टोफर फॉन्सेका डजंट वांट टू बी ऑन द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. वर्कर्स ऑफ कदंबा शुड बी ऑन द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स हू आर वर्किंग. श्रमजीवी जे लोक आहा ते बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर म्हणून आसपाक जाय. दुसरे खुबशे दुसरे इश्यूज आहा, आनी they have already 80 diesel buses procured. They have said we are going to, or we will hit the road running and see that more buses are procured. Regularization of badli drivers and conductors I have already सांगला. आणि त्याच बरोबर 2 इश्यू जाचेर आमचे डिस्कशन जाले, माझी बस स्कीम आणि त्याच बरोबर स्टॉप आउटसोर्सिंग टू of bus routes and buses to stop contractual system in electric buses. आता तेणी सांगले आमकां this is a central government vehicle and we cannot interfere with it. So which means we will have to go to Mr. Nitin Gadkari, who is the Union Transport Minister, and campaign with him. Now we are part of, I am one of the presidents of National Federation of Indian Road Transport Workers. We are going to take up this issue very strongly with Mr. Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister of Transport, and request him and tell him that you need to change your scheme. This is a problem all over India. All the workers, the transport workers are dead set against this system of giving the buses, EV buses, in the hands of contractors when it should be in the hands of Kadamba. So this is a very important issue. त्याच बरोबर माझी बस स्कीम, माझी बस स्कीम we have opposed tooth and nail. आम्ही सांगला गव्हर्नमेंटा पळय आमकां कितें एरियर्स पडोवंक जाय, पयशे पडोवंक जाय म्हणून आम्ही दाक्षिण करूंक ना. आम्ही बेधडक सरकारा फुडें प्रश्न दवरला की your Baji bus scheme is not in the interest of Kadamba. It is putting good money in the hands of people who should not be getting that at the cost of Kadamba. So this is something again a pet scheme of the government. So we show what is our Lakshman Rekha. So we have allowed that for the time being, but our campaign against it will continue. त्याच बरोबर उरलेले डिमांड ज्या थोडक्यान सांगता, प्रमोशन टू कंडक्टर्स फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोलर्स आम्ही 100 पोस्ट मागल्यात. त्याच बरोबर अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ 6 व्हेकल एक्झामिनर, व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट बिकॉज देर आर नो व्हेकल एक्झामिनर एक्सेप्ट फॉर 2. आणि स्टॉप दिस आउटसोर्सिंग ऑपरेशन्स अँड मेंटेनन्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक बसेस, रेझोल्यूट फिलिंग अप वेकन्सीज ऑफ टेक्निकल स्टाफ. ते सगळे इश्यू मॅनेजमेंटान सांगला आम्ही विल डिस्कस द इश्यूज अँड रिझॉल्व द मॅटर. आणि त्याच बरोबर काल जेन्ना आम्ही बसले, काल तुम्ही येयल्ले सगळे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक, आम्ही तुमकां हांव दिलगिरी व्यक्त करता कित्याक तुमकां मेळोंक जावना. वी वर बिझी बट दॅट वॉज मेड अप मोर दॅन एम्पली बाय द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट, because he outlined how the government has dealt with the issue of strike and how proactively they have resolved. And we thank the government of Goa, we thank the Honorable Chief Minister, we thank the dynamic Transport Minister Shri Mohin Godino, who was also once upon a time a student leader and also who fought for bus concession along with us. And we also thank Mr. Pramiwal Abhishek, who is the director of Trans, very dynamic man, and the new MD Rohan Kaskar and Mahendra Pednekar and Chief Secretary and all government officials, including the Office of the Labour Department. And I must thank the media. And I must thank all of you, my brothers and sisters, for your abiding and continued support. And I thank most importantly the Union Committee of Kadamba Transport Corporation, KTC Drivers Allied Employees Association, who have steadfastly campaigned, because we had strike committees all over, in all depots everywhere. They were ready, battle ready. But we decided that we must, in the interest of the public and not to create any mayhem, we have to see that respectable, honorable and acceptable solution is worked out, and we waited yesterday till the minutes were drawn, till they were signed. Only then we said we will address a press meet, because it would be wrong, bad faith. आम्ही जर तुमच्या पुढे येले आणि सांगले अशें झाला, when there are no minutes, it would not be correct. So ethically, there is such a thing called ethical audit for unions also. So ethically, we have to do our everything correctly. So I thank the union committee, very managing committee, all the workers of Kadamba who have reposed their trust in the KTC Drivers Allied Employees Association, and we are the overwhelming majority union in Kadamba Transport Corporation. I appeal to my comrades in Kadamba Transport Corporation to work with dedication and with all the zeal and steadfastness, and with proper motivation, so that Kadamba becomes a shining example of an efficient public sector corporation and becomes a tool, a vehicle of service to the people of Goa. Thank you very much. We have, after the intervention, with all this particular agreement, we have withdrawn the strike, and we committed to defer the strike. We committed to defer the strike. After the conciliation, minutes were drawn, after everything was settled, when we spoke to the Honorable Minister of Transport. So, but then it was all right that he said that the strike is withdrawn yesterday. He was not saying something not incorrect. He was correct. But we waited till we signed the thing, so that we hold a press meet today to share the final details of the settlement. Why?
आणि दुसऱ्या वटेन dozens of EV abandoned उडयल्या
ते हाडल्यात आमी, आणि ते EV they are going to press into operations wherever there are this thing. But then there are also these EVs are not something which are easily available even now. There is a big demand for the EVs. Point number one. Abandoned. We will check whether they are abandoned. As of now, we know that EVs are put on the road. They are made operational. If wherever there are some problems, I think there are some problems in the operation. As far as we are concerned, we have a certain view on EVs, which is that the EVs are vehicles which have a separate scheme by the central government. At present we are campaigning. आम्ही आता म्हणूंक सोदतात सरकाराक त्या EVचेर आमचो ड्रायव्हर आसपाक जाय कदंबाचो.
मदीं कर्नाटकान ऍड दिता गोंय ड्रायव्हर जाय.
वय तो ऍड कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर घालता, कित्याक ती EV बस कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराच्या हातींत आहा. जी कमाई येता ती कदंबाक येना. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी कमाई जी येता ती कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरच्या हेका येता, and there is a very complicated system of accounting there. So that is why we have excluded the EV buses from the scheme. And we have a view on EV. खूप लोक म्हणटा EV means pollution is less. But we have our view on that. There are very well known and very distinguished people who laud EV buses, but we have a view. Because this pollution, there is a big question mark on this whole question of pollution. But that electric buses are not polluting. It looks, what you see is not the reality. It is the phenomenon. The noumenon, as in philosophy they say, the noumenon, that is the reality, is something different. So, दिसता ते दूध नहीं. So, ये आम्ही जाणा.
Only EV buses का सगळे EV vehicles. Only EV buses का only.
As far as EV, no. EV चेर जे पळय जयकार करता, जे हे करतात की they laud EVs, there we have a different view. But diesel buses, also today new technology has come in the entire vehicular technology where pollution has been minimized. And we are talking about those technologies. You know, they are, but this through EV, they are promoting contractual system, which we are opposing. And the contractual system where workers are exploited to the hilt, where workers are employed on contract system and they are paid a pittance, they are made to work for 12 hours. We are against that system. And we will continue to fight against that. आम्ही त्या हेजेर साक्षी दिवपाक केन्ना बेधडक साक्षी दितले. And we will fight it. And I want to just add one point. It is not dudan meat ghalpak sodina. We are with this agreement. We have cautiously optimistic that things will change for the better, for the workers, for Kadamba, for the people of Goa. Cautious optimism. We exercise cautious optimism. But government has declared ESMA. Now that is not a good thing. ESMA is there on the statute book. It need not have. If that is an expression of lack of faith and trust in the working people of Goa. Government has expressed that they don't trust us. That is not something good. So I appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister and the powers that be, the use of ESMA or even promulgation, even the thought is a negative thought. They must shun it. They must even scrap it from the statute books. Engage the workers. कामगाराला उलयात, कामगार युनियनाला उलयात, आणि कामगार प्रतिनिधीला उलयात, आणि प्रश्न मिटयात. कित्याक nobody could stop us if we wanted to go on a strike. But we are people who are honed in this, and we understand the movements of society, and we know that we have to act responsibly. When we are faced with such a kind of organization, you promulgate ESMA. What does it show? It doesn't. Not only it doesn't. It is not a good sign that the government fears people. Government fears an organized working class. Government should befriend. Government should understand. Government should empathize and not use these draconian measures. Even if they are